This is Mr. Beck Does Your Homework, Homework 16, question number 9. A 0.280 kilogram block on a vertical spring with a spring constant of 4.5 times 10 to the third newtons per meter is pushed downwards, compressing the spring 0.0900 meters. When released, the block leaves the spring and travels upward vertically. How high does it rise above the point of release? So I start off with the spring, and then I push down on the block and I give the spring some compression, and then the spring releases and the block goes flying up in the air. So here I'm assuming this is my 0. So here I don't really have any potential energy, I don't have any spring potential energy, and the thing isn't moving, so this is 0. Then I give it some spring potential energy, so here I've got some potential energy in the spring. Here the spring is not compressed anymore, but the thing is as high as it'll be, so I know that it's stopped moving. So how high does it rise? That's when my velocity is 0. So here I've just got some potential energy due to gravity, because my kinetic energy will be 0 and my spring potential energy will be 0. So this energy is going to equal this energy, so my potential in this energy in the spring here equals my potential energy of gravity here. So I wind up with 1/2 kx squared equals mgh for my potential energy due to gravity. So that's 1/2. My spring constant is 4.5 times 10 to the third. My x is how far the spring was compressed, which is 0.09 meters. And don't forget to square that. Equals the mass, which is 0.280, times gravity, which is 9.81, times my height is what I'm looking for. So here it'll rise to some height h up above the bottom. And now I know all the numbers, so I'm just solving for h.